saw your first steps, I heard your first word, held your hand through every twist and turn. From bedtime songs to the questions you ask, you're growing up so beautifully, so fast.
And it's not just how you smile or how you light a room with style. It's your kindness, your fire, your truth. The way the world feels brighter with you. I love watching you become this beautiful soul, this radiant one. Not just my daughter, but someone strong, with her own heart, her own song. Every day you show me something new, and I fall in love with becoming you. You stand up for what's right, even when it's tough. You're gentle and wild, brave and enough. You've got your dreams, and I've got your back. Through every stumble, through every track. And it's not just who you are, it's how you carry every scar, with grace and love and light so true. You teach me just by being you. I love watching you become this beautiful soul, this radiant one. Not just my daughter, but someone wise, with her own heart, her own song. Every day you show me something new, and I fall in love with becoming you.
One day you'll fly and chase your own skies, but you'll always be the light in mine. Whatever roads you choose to take, I'll be cheering every move you make.
I love watching you become more than I dreamed, more than anyone. You're not just growing, you're becoming free, becoming all you're meant to be.
And every day I thank the stars